kuyo en nyasi maralam ne obagi ne mane jauso e kambi mar All Media Services Kevin Mukuche e kanisa mar Sitam Valley Road, Nairobi. Familia jotije gi osiepe ne oriwore mar nyiso luoro magi mogik ne mosanindo Kevin. Thomas Mukuche mane en wuon Kevin lero ni wuode ne jahera, jachuny, jatich matek kendo jalno manohero weche mag kwe. Jakom mar All Media Services Laktareske Mashara gi jalup mare Gathoni Mashare yangu tich malongo mane otim gi Kevin ne kinde mane otiyo ne kambi mar All Media Services. Gichwalo ote magi mag lit kod kuyo ne familiano. Ringre mar Kevin ibokoe kare mogik mar yweyo mogik chieng' Ngeso e dala gi mayudore Mumias, kaunti ma Kakamega.
Kevin, apart from being my son, he was my friend. We were very, very, very close. We used to flow with each other so easily, joking. We supported different teams, so we would every time he would enjoy me if my team lost, and I would enjoy him if Manchester United lost. If he was alive today, he would be so happy because Manchester won last night.
Kevin was a valued member of our commercial team within the group. His contribution to the company was exemplary, and he had a certain style that left an indelible mark on whoever had the privilege of working alongside him.
Our vibrant team comedian with an infectious laugh brought joy to our agency team. His humor and collaborative spirit made him a cherished team player. Mondays echoed with his football banter, especially if Manu triumphed. To his close friends, the playful or no texts were inevitable, especially for us Arsenal and Chelsea fans. You know yourselves even after yesterday's.
Medo timo mos ne anyuola mar Kevin Mukuche kuom lal ma gi